What's up, everybody? Dennis here from Gadsden Freedom Outdoors. Alright, we got a cooking video for you. This is like my nacho dip. It's a party dish or just an everyday, dinner dish here. So I like to use Spanish rice. You can use any rice you like, white rice. I like to use yellow rice as well. Put the rice in here with the butter. Get it a little golden. Let that go for a few minutes. Alright, got the rice golden brown. I'm going to add our water. Then our seasoning packages. We got the rice boiling. We'll cover it up for about 15 minutes. Lower the heat to simmer. Alright, we'll check on the rice. Rice should be done. I like to add black olives into the rice. Completely up to you. You can add green olives if you like, or no olives at all. Alright, we're going to get the meat going here. I like to use a little olive oil. Alright guys, these are Impossible burgers. So if you're vegan, you can use this too to make this. And then we have my favorite for making this recipe. Wild boar meat. Look at that. So we hunt, process, butcher our own animals. We're just going to break everything up. So it's sort of like in chopped meat form. Let this cook up. And we'll move on to the next step. Alright, we're going to get everything mixed in. Mixing the meat in with the rice and black olives. This is the boar meat here. So when we process the boar meat into chopped meat packages, we season it, and we usually mix it with either beef or pork to give it a little bit more flavor. So those packages are 1 pound packages. So we use 2 pounds of boar meat in this mix. Alright, so now the fun. I'm going to take some sharp cheddar. I'm going to load that in there. And by the way, I set the ovens at 400 degrees. So we're going to get this all mixed up, put in a pan. And we're just going to throw them in the oven until the cheese is melted. I like to get my cheese a little brown on top so that way you know all of it is melted. It's almost like a nacho dip, I guess you can call this. It's very filling. Alright, we got that mixed up really well. Now we're going to add in some salsa sauce. Make sure everything's nice and covered. And drizzle some more on top. And then another layer of cheese. Alright, I'm going to work on the boar meat one. Now you can use whatever one you like to use. Alright, and this one here, this is a sharp pepper jack. It's got a little kick to it. There you go, guys. Both of the trays are ready for the oven. Alright, so we're going to leave that about 20 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. We'll be back when they're done. Alright, there it is. They're done. Cheese nice and melted. Gonna have it with some Tostitos scoop chips. Now you can have any type of chips you want with it. I prefer these. Also, while making this recipe, you can substitute the pork with beef, like pulled pork. That's really good in this. Chicken, shredded chicken's really good. You know, this is great for parties, but it's also a great dinner. You know, this is a couple of nights dinner here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when we upload more videos for you. Alright, we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you.